cup that's cracking. Mile markers pointing at the past I'm dragging. Bucksmith glass, moon riding shotgun, pale and small, radio low, like it's scared to say it all. Somewhere between the gas station and the dawn, I might find myself, but just keep rolling on. Headlights fading, promises on the road. I'm chasing down a name I used to know. Somewhere between a gas station and the dawn. Crumbled maps shoved inside the glove compartment. Or receipt for a life I lived in a park that light.